have a uniform meter rule of mass 100 grams balanced horizontally on a pivot at its 45 cm mark when a load of 20 grams, 30 grams, and 50 grams were hung on it as shown. This is how the whole thing they were hung on it. And then you notice that this one is 50, 30, and, uh, and 20. This is the distance 0 to 100. So he said that use this information to show that y is equal to 5 over 3 bracket 1 plus x bracket closes. Use the information to show that. So based on that, we know that the force of gravity of this meter rule is always at the middle. At the middle point, you can see the middle point. That's where the W stands for the weight of the meter rule. And then we have other masses hung on it there. So you know that moments. This has to do with moments. Moment is the turning effect produced by a force at a point. So so now looking at this means that the clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment they must be equal in order for this to balance. So in that case, let's look at the clockwise and anti-clockwise moment. Looking at the other end of it, you'll find out that from this point we have 10 cm. Here is 10 cm, meaning that since the weight is here, since the weight is the force of gravity is acting here, which is the weight, it means that from this point to that point is what? From here to here is what? 50, since it's 100 cm. So in that case, here is what? 10. That means he said that hung at were 35, 45. That means 45. We have to get the distance of here to this point. We have 45 minus 10. 45 minus 10 will give us 35 cm. That's for this point now. We have 45 and 35 cm. And for this other object, so what we do here is that this is 20. That means 20 grams times 35 plus this is 30 from this point of from the to the Bible, from this distance now. Y, we have y there. This is our y, which means 30 times y equal to, since here is 45, it means that to make it up to 50, means that here should be what? Is what? 5 cm. So for the weight, we know that the weight is what? 100. So what we do here is that equal to 100 times 5 plus the last one we have here is 50. You have s here and here is 5. So what we do here is that 50, so we'll make it brackets, okay, 50 brackets, this place is 5 plus x. So the clockwise moment and the anti-clockwise moment, these are all we have here, making it to balance. So now we're going to resolve all of them in order to see how we're going to run up with this. How we're going to prove this. We have this one to be 20 times 35 will give us 70 plus 30y equal to 5 times 100 will give us 500. Okay, we might not need it now. And So we have plus 5. We have our 50 times 5. That will give us 25. I think that's what we have here. We have initially 55 plus x. This will give us 200, 250 plus 50x or 50x. That's what we have. And then we can add up. If we add up this, we have 70 plus 30y equal to, so now we can collect like and move this to there, and you have it to be 35 equal to this subtracting. We have 50x plus 50 plus 50x. So the next one we can say 30y is equal to 50 bracket 1 plus x. Since we have 50 in both sides, we can put outside the bracket. So the next thing is that we come over here, y is equal to 50 bracket 1 plus x all over 30. So what we'll do here is that 0 and 0 will go out to have, so we've been able to do the proving effectively. Thank you so much for being part of the class, and make sure I'm looking forward to read your comments, share, like, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much.